एडवांस क्लास रूम मैनेजमेंट कोर्स के सर्टिफिकेट की डाउन हाई स्कूल मलकपेट में तकसीम अमल में आई। मीर अयूब अली खान, फजलुर रहमान खुरम, वहीद अंसारी ने मुखातिब किया।
पेशे तदरीस को परवान चढ़ाने के लिए असातिज़ा के लिए एक कोर्स टॉस फाउंडेशन के ज़ेर एहतमाम 6 माह का कोर्स रखा गया था, जिसमें असातिज़ा ने हिस्सा लिया था। आज डाउन हाई स्कूल मलकपेट में सर्टिफिकेट की तकसीम मेहमान खुसूसी के हाथों अमल में आई। जनाब मीर अयूब अली खान चीफ गेस्ट की हैसियत से शिरकत की, जबकि मेहमान खुसूसी की हैसियत से जनाब सोहेल अहमद, जनाब फजलुर रहमान खुरम, डायरेक्टर डाउन हाई स्कूल मोहतरमा आरिफा खातून, मोहतरमा खुदरत अफशा, जनाब वहीद अंसारी ने शिरकत की और मुखातिब किया। एडवांस क्लास रूम मैनेजमेंट कोर्स काफ़ी कामयाब रहा।
Or how do you pronounce it, or whatever it is. But I have found myself that I don't know the meaning, but I have found that taus in Arabic and Urdu means what? Peacock. You might have heard about the peacock throne, for which there was a lot of fight some 400-500 years ago. So this is peacock, and these our girls are, what is a peacock? It represents bright, beautiful colors, and our girls have gained that color, and they will brighten their atmosphere with these colors. They will light up the atmosphere wherever they go, inshallah.
Day and night he thinks about all the schools in Hyderabad. Then he started some English courses from British Council, and most of the teachers have taken up that courses. And then he started robotics, and now he came up with ACMC. And I'm happy that he's thinking and doing very sincerely all these things for the schools. And the schools are run only by, not just by management or anything, mostly the teachers. If they are very good teachers, then everything is okay. If whatever we do, if the teachers are not good, cannot do.
We have such kind of organization which can work in our budget schools with development. This training part is over, and the attrition rate, we don't know how long teachers can stay in the school. There are various issues. They get married, they transferred from this area to some other area, or different problems.
कितना खराब किया वो काम, वो हम आप लोगों से सुनना चाहेंगे। असेसमेंट जब तक नहीं मिला, इंडिपेंडेंट फीडबैक आपको जब तक नहीं मिला, आप कामयाब नहीं हैं। You need to have independent feedback. If I have been invited to speak, I should not speak only the laurels and praise for the school. I should also tell you what is missing. I am not telling you what is missing today because I haven't seen anything. Thank you, and we will be, inshallah, starting the program, and I am very happy that some of us are coming forward to help these kind of projects. And thanks to Safi Abdur Rahim, who has initiated this, and we will continue to support him. Thank you very much.
Driven by collective and Miss Maliha.
Keep the certificates and clap. आपको मिल गया.
Thank you. Honest and humble. Khaja Mujib. Keen and determined. Ashia Kausar. Miss Esther. Mind. She talked. Resource Kudrat ma'am. Now may I have on stage learning environment.